Help! My model's on fire! Help! Help! I'm burning alive! Ah! Alright guys, welcome back. This is day 12 of Noob to Pro in Blender. Today we'll be making a pipe. So right here I'm going to delete my cube and everything, add it back in. Alright, delete it again. So actually, funny story, I recorded this entire video and apparently something went wrong with the audio. It was recording my audio but didn't save it. So that's interesting. So let's add it back. Okay, what are we doing here? Okay, originally I added in the shaders because I just want to play around with it. A lot of this video was actually just me playing around with shaders and just messing around. That's kind of my goal of it. Anyways, I added in that looks good. Yeah, essentially I just have to add a voiceover for almost this entire video because all the audio went away. So I'm trying to work through what was going through my head when I was trying to figure this out. It was a lot. I ended up just looking it up. I believe I added a noise modifier right here. Yep, that's kind of the first step. You add in the noise texture. Let's see what I'm about to do. Yep, that's for the coloring, so you add that in. Very good. Add in the overlay. So this is to create kind of like the opacity for it, so it's kind of clear, all that. And then after that, you add in the mix shader. So that's what combines it all, kind of makes it into one big soup. So that's good. And then you combine it and you add it to object to vector, to noise, to color, and then RGB to color again. And then the result goes to shader. And then you combine the shader, you take it off the other end, and you basically combine it to the mixer. And then you add the mixer to the final product. Alright, so here I'll be deleting some of the vertices, and basically you just get it down to a stick model. And you still want those lines in it. If you delete them all and you don't have the lines, it's no good. I would restart. But basically you add in a plane or a box and you extrude up from here. So you just click E, extrude, and then you just duplicate, extrude, keep extruding, and I made it pretty complicated for basically no reason. I just wanted to see the lengths of like how far you can go with it. You could do this indefinitely, but it's kind of fun doing this. I just made like basically a snake model, just kept going. Want to make it look complicated. It just goes all around. I was having fun, I was talking about all this stuff, and yeah, so kind of sucks I had to record this part again, but hey, it's worth it. Stuff happens, you move on, right? So move it along here. Yeah, just make sure it's straight. It's good. Okay, and then I'm pretty sure it's about the end of it. Keep going. Okay. Yeah, for some reason I just really did not like how that went. There we go. All right, and just go down. There we go. Cool. So complicated enough. Now you click on the corners of the vertices, and here's the interesting part. Keep going. Oh, don't forget that bottom one. There we go. Alright, and cool. Alright, now you bevel it. So for here it'd be Control Shift B. I tried to do Control B. That would work normally, but not for vertices. There you go. And then you scroll wheel, change the amount. There you go. And then you go to object mode, you right click, convert to curve, and then click on the bottom right here, go to data, whichever one, geometry. Click there, and then there will be a depth module, and you just up that to your heart's desire. There you go. Alright, that's the general shape of it, and alright. Also, you can go over here and actually change the resolution. I'm gonna go loop cut it and bevel it. Alright, right here I'm adding in a box, basically like a little tank or something, just for the pipes to go somewhere, so you know, some place to be. So that's cool. Add that in. Do that real quick. Edit it around, and I just basically changed the general shape of it. Should be good. I'm gonna skip forward again. Alright, this was essentially half the video is me just battling the textures, making it apply on correctly, since I was trying to do some crazy modifier to make it look more realistic, ended up just making it look way worse. So in the end, I just kind of, I ate it, and yeah, I just made it look kind of like a snowy texture, and I think the final product actually looked pretty good. Alright, so this is what I ended on for the pipe design. I like it because it's kind of shiny, but also has a burnt texture to it, and it does have kind of that snowy texture. But also here I'm just editing over the tank here, and I'm just kind of making it look a little more, I guess, a little less boxy, so it blends in a little more. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Help! Help! My model's on fire! Put it out!